Hello, welcome to the Motor House. I should say welcome back if you have already been following the channel. Today is, we say it's always a fun day when it's new tool day. So, new tools have arrived. And I looked into profile gauges since I am contemplating, and I do believe I am going to do it, making molds, well, not about molds, but bucks and templates for repairing the other side. So, these very nice profile gauges. These allow for great adjustments on curves, and I got one short and one very long one that this should help me to make templates. Also the standard profile gauge, which this is starting at, we'll see, the other one's in the way, so we won't do it, but this is the curve, at least at one point. So, another one that I got, because I wasn't sure, is this version. That I thought there'd be better adjustment with this version, but turns out that I really, of course you don't know till you get them, and you start looking at them. But I think this has far better adjustment and applications for things. So that is the news of new tools. And other news, the chassis will be complete this week. So they haven't taken any videos, and it would be nice if they did, but I'm not going to pressure them to do it. I'd rather them spend my money on doing the work and just sending me photos, which I have a bunch of photos. I'll try to add some in. Yeah, so I'll go over all the chassis repair once I get it back, which I'm looking in 1 week to go down there and pick it up and bring it back and go over everything there on site or back when I get it home. The wiring continues. I did find some in my stash, some 14 red that I'll use to replace that one lighting circuit. And I'm going to start re-wrapping up the loose loom, get it back into shape. Ray at RD was kind and sent me, let's see if I can do it this way, what pinouts are for different ignition switches, so I'll try to go through that. We've had snow here, we've had cold temps, firewood, everything necessary to get done that prevents me from always coming in here and doing cars. And of course, sometimes you just say, I'm taking the day off. It's a great thing about being retired. So, we'll see how the templates go. And we'll go from there. So this is a short video, but just to fill in on what's been going on.